Hi, this is Martina and I am marketing consultant for Technivalue. When it comes to maintenance and repair, Technivalue knows well that it is essential to provide a top quality and quick service, which can be satisfactory both for companies and customers alike. And thanks to the partnership with Salesforce, Technivalue can help you to optimize the activities of maintenance technicians, installers and repairers with the revolutionary field service solution. We will discuss it with Benedetto, one of our Salesforce certified consultants. Hi Benny!
Hi Martina and hi everyone. Yes, the field service solution by Salesforce helps you to optimize the assistance activities that your technicians carry out in order to increase both the customer satisfaction and your company performance and efficiency. So, by gathering the all-important customer information in a single platform, the field service solution allows the service center agent to automatically select the best resource or the best technician for a specific job, obviously based on a fully customizable criteria, such as the distance between your customer and your technician, or just like a required skill. So practically this solution sends the right resource, the right technician to your customer, and with all required spare parts and equipment. And if something misses, your technician can easily request to its warehouse what is missing. Everything of course can be carried out from the technician smartphone, so he can access to the customer information, see the street directions, or just sign a document or send a report to the company office.
So this is very useful to better coordinate installers and repairers. But what's the advantage in choosing Technivalue as your partner to implement this solution?
Well, because as Technivalue consultant, before actually implementing the solution, we decide to study each customer specific needs and what corporate objective they want to achieve in order to have a 360-degree view of your business. Thanks to their different skill and seniorities, the Technivalue consultants help our customer to further personalize the Salesforce solution and integrate it with the other company system in order to have a unique and fully synchronized source of information.
Thanks for your time, Benny. So, choosing Technivalue as your partner to implement this Salesforce solution means having a team entirely focused on you, supporting your increase in efficiency and performance, and sustaining your customer satisfaction. Do not hesitate to contact us for more information. Bye!